Mediaket shows you how to change the DNS servers in D-LINK DSL-2790U modem. Type the following IP and hit Enter key. Type here, username, admin, and default password, admin, and click Login. Click on Advanced menu. Click on DNS submenu. Check Use the following DNS server addresses. Here, we have used the Google DNS servers. Primary DNS server, 8.8.8.8, and secondary DNS server, 8.8.4.4. You can use other DNS servers that we have listed on the right, and there are more. Click on Apply button. Click on Log Out to exit. We have finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.